Shingles vaccine guards against dementia, new evidence emerges. This is a scientific video which is based on research findings published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Please see the reference section available at the end of the video for source papers. In a surprising twist of modern immunology, researchers are discovering that the Shingles vaccine may do more than just prevent painful rashes. It might also guard against one of the most feared conditions of aging, dementia. Recent studies suggest that the Shingles vaccine, originally developed to protect against the varicella-zoster virus, VZV, could also reduce the risk of developing dementia, including Alzheimer's disease. The idea that viruses might play a role in neurodegenerative diseases isn't new. Over the past decade, mounting evidence has suggested that chronic infections and the immune system's responses to them could influence the development of diseases like Alzheimer's. Among the culprits under scrutiny is the varicella-zoster virus, the virus responsible for chickenpox and its painful reactivation as shingles later in life. When VZV reactivates, it causes inflammation in nerve tissues, which can, in some cases, affect the brain. This neuroinflammation has long been associated with cognitive decline, leading scientists to explore whether preventing shingles could help mitigate that risk. A 2022 study in BMJ involving over 200,000 participants aged 70 and older found that those who received the Shingles vaccine were 20–30% less likely to be diagnosed with dementia over the following years. Even after accounting for age, sex, socioeconomic status, and prior health conditions, the vaccine's protective effect remains statistically significant. Researchers theorize that the vaccine not only prevents shingles but may also reduce systemic inflammation and improve immune system regulation, both factors that contribute to brain health. Another possibility is that the vaccine indirectly protects neurons by preventing VZV-related neural damage, a precursor to neurodegeneration in susceptible individuals. While these findings are exciting, experts caution against jumping to conclusions. The current studies are observational, which means they can't definitively prove causation. Nevertheless, the consistent association between shingles vaccination and reduced dementia risk across multiple studies is compelling and calls for randomized controlled trials. Moreover, the potential of vaccines to serve double duty in preventing both infectious and chronic degenerative diseases opens a new frontier in public health strategy. As populations age and the burden of dementia grows, preventive measures, even partial ones, could have an enormous impact. If you're over 50, health authorities already recommend getting the Shingles vaccine to prevent the painful condition. Now, the potential added benefit of protecting your cognitive health provides one more reason to roll up your sleeve. While the scientific community continues to investigate this connection, taking proactive steps to maintain brain health, including vaccination, may be one of the smartest moves you can make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more discoveries straight from the lab to your screen.